Hey, what is up guys? This is Gian of Gadget Pilipinas and welcome back to the channel. It is quite surprising to see a laptop that bears Intel's iconic brand. Since Intel launched their NUC, that's Next Unit of Computing, pronounced like LOC, these are their small form factor PCs way back in 2013, the technology giant has been committed to bringing the experience to consumers and now to small and medium-sized business owners as well. Fast forward to 2021, with more and more people buying laptops and accessories to upgrade their work-from-home setups, Intel announced a new generation of NUC in laptop form factor. The Intel M15 laptop kit has two display variants, touch and non-touch. The touch variant is powered by an Intel Core i7-1165G7 processor, while the non-touch variant has something of the same chipset and another one with an Intel Core i5-1135G7 processor. Intel sent over a unit for us to experience, and I'd like to share with you three major things I truly appreciate about it. Number one, unreserved power. Number two, uncompromised freedom to choose the OS and storage of your choice. And number three, feature-packed to match your personal or business requirements. There is no question that when it comes to Intel processors, you're getting unreserved power to get you productive throughout the day. Unadulterated performance is the major winning feature of the Intel NUC M15 laptop kit. There's no question as well that this laptop will be up for anything you throw at it, from productive work to entertainment. While using this engineering unit, I never had any problems having multiple opened windows on my Microsoft Edge. Basic video editing applications like Filmora X and video calling software like Zoom and Microsoft Teams work flawlessly. I also got to play some games that do not require a beefy GPU setup. I am subscribed to Xbox Game Pass Ultimate, and I can attest that games like Marvel vs. Capcom Infinite, Minecraft Dungeons, and Ori and the Will of the Wisps perform great. This performance is of course made possible by the newest 11th generation Intel Core i5 or i7 processor and the Intel Iris Xe graphics, perfect for your business requirements. With its speed and reliability, it will surely let you run your business or operations smoothly. One of the interesting things about the Intel NUC M15 laptop kit is that it gives users the ability to pick and install compatible storage and OS of their choice. While Microsoft Windows 10 is the go-to operating system of most consumers, this option affects the budget and price of the laptop kit. Conversely, if a consumer buys an Intel NUC M15 laptop kit without an SSD storage, this offloads the cost of the drive and any pre-installed operating system. Consumers can opt to buy an Intel SSD 6 M.2 storage and install either a Windows 10 Home, Windows 10 Professional, or even a Linux Mint. Ultimately, this feature gives uncompromised freedom to consumers, which in my opinion, a trait of a good brand. Now, don't let its sub 60,000 price point make you assume that it does not have the right features for your needs. Apart from its Intel 11th Gen processor's unreserved power and freedom to choose the OS and storage, this laptop packs essential premium features. For starters, this laptop has 15.6 narrow bezel IPS display with full HD resolution and 100% sRGB color space. Its display is ideal for those who edit photos and also for those who consume content like watching videos on Netflix or YouTube in high definition. It also features a backlit silent membrane keyboard and glass clickpad. Its Intel HD premium audio stereo speakers are loud and clear. Soundstage is somewhat balanced with slight pronouncement on lows. This makes it good when watching your favorite videos on your favorite streaming applications. This laptop also packs a 73 watt-hour battery which can last for less than 12 hours on a single charge. Charging isn't a hassle as well because the laptop supports fast charging. In terms of I/O, the Intel NUC M15 laptop kit has the following: 2 Thunderbolt 4, 1 full-size HDMI 2.0B port, DisplayPort 1.4 via Thunderbolt 4. As the first NUC laptop series, the Intel NUC M15 laptop sets a good lineup for consumers who have less than 60,000 budget. At this rate, the series is obviously among the affordable ones that pack an 11th Gen Intel processor and a good number of features and I/O. The Intel NUC M15 laptop kit is now available in the Philippines starting at 52,490 pesos. If you fancy getting a variant with a touch display, you can buy it for 56,490 pesos. Details where you can buy may be seen in the description down below. Again, this has been Gian of GadgetPilipinas.net. I hope you find this video useful. If you like it, consider dropping a like, and please subscribe to the channel if you think that we so deserve your subscription. Again, I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye!